This is one of my favorite stories. I remember I had these little kiddos running up to the garden and they stuck their face up to the fence and they said, "Can we come in?" And I said, "Of course, it's your community garden. Just bring your parents," I told them. But a lot of them will walk across the street and they want the kids to see where the carrots come from. And I don't know what it is with carrots, but whatever age it is, when you pull those carrots up out of the ground, I call them the fuzzy tops, then they get so excited. And I had one little toddler just pull a radish, brush off the soil, and munch, just give it a big old bite. And so having that neighborhood close by is wonderful, of course, because they can walk. But one of the ladies that came out was a Zumba instructor, and her mother recently had sold her home and everything in the back, all her gardening stuff, she just donated to the garden to give because she loves the garden so much. And so if we need something, we can call up and say, "Hey, do you have an extension cord?" Or, "Hey, we need a saw." Or it's that type of community because it's a close-knit neighborhood, right, literally right across the street.
Nice.